inverted row, we're using a barbell set up on a squat rack. If a fully inverted row is too challenging for you, a simple way to progress it or regress it was with a TRX strap, to where when you're anchored on the TRX strap, the more upright your torso is, or the more perpendicular you are to the ground, the easier it's gonna be. The more parallel you become with the ground, closer to a full inverted row, the harder it's gonna be. If you have shoulder irritability with using like a fixed bar and doing pulling variations, you can do inverted rows with the TRX straps, where if you just throw your feet up on a bench or adjust the straps where it allows you to lay parallel. If you don't have a TRX strap at home, rings work equally as well. I've even used like tie-down straps for you home gym people, using a couple cable attachments with a handle. You can slide the handles through the tie-down straps and have some flexibility with your arms, and it'll help clean up some shoulder irritability. But for this example, we're going to use a straight bar. All of our pulling principles apply here, to where we're going to allow our shoulder blades to come around our rib cage in the bottom position, and then in one fluid motion, we're going to bring our shoulder blades back toward the middle of our spine and bring our chest open and up. So we're going through thoracic flexion into thoracic extension, and that's just going to facilitate maximal shoulder blade motion and muscle recruitment of the parascapular musculature. Keep in mind your elbow position relative to your rib cage when you're pulling, not to smash your elbows into your ribs. That'll minimize your shoulder blade motion, and it will usually result in the shoulder blade staying fixed and then my humeral head dumping forward and putting some weird stresses on the front of my shoulder joint. So an example, starting with my hands slightly wider than shoulders, I'm going to plank up, drive my heels in the ground, squeeze my glutes, let my shoulder blades come around my rib cage, initiate the motion with my shoulder blades, and then pull my chest toward the bar, come back down.